All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Looking at that wheel. I don't see any curb rash. Got the Michelin Defender LTX Platinums. 275, 65, 20. Lots of tread left there. They look really good. Date code 2023. Here on that fender, we do have a ding right there and a little scratch. A couple rock chips, a few little scuffs on that A-pillar. Looking at the side mirror, a couple small rock impacts. Few little scuffs. Got a chip right there. Some light scratches there. We have 4 or so chips here in this area that have been touched up. Upper section looks good. That looks nice. Bedside, there's a couple light scuffs. This color hides it really well though. You have a chip there and it's been touched up, it looks like, with some gloss black. The rest of that wheel looks good. Date code on those tires, same thing, 2023. And looking at the front end, we'll start with the hood. A couple rock chips. And I have some every once in a while. Few chips, little rock impacts on that lens when you get really close. Same here, you're going to see little rock impacts and kind of bug splatter that has etched into the clear. You're going to see it down here as well on the black there. And looking at this wheel, I don't see any rash. We have a little scratch right there. It does catch your nail. There's a dent here. Looks like some gashes right there that have been touched up. Little scratches every once in a while. So that looks good. Kind of scanning this pillar. Here on the side mirror, typical rock impacts. Overall, that wheel looks good. Same thing on the date code, 2023. And then looking right here, we do have a crease. You can see that kind of ripple on that section. Paint looks good. That looks nice. We have some gashes on that plastic. See that right there. Couple stains here and there, but overall looks good. Right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker and it's in really good condition. That trim looks nice. You do have some blue stains here from blue jeans just getting in and out every day. You can see that. Upper section looks good. Got a little gash in that little piping. Upper section looks good. Steering wheel's nice and clean. All of that looks nice. Upper side of the dash looks good. A couple scuffs right here on that metal. A few little notches out of this material. You can see if I peeled that back, it looks like something impacted those. Probably the seat belt or something. Other than that, looks really good. Here on that back left door panel, looks great. A couple little scuffs, little dent. That leather looks good. All the stitching over here is clean. Here on the front right door panel, that looks amazing. A couple gashes, a few little scuffs. All-weather mat looks nice. That bolster looks really good. Same here. Seats look really, really good. See a little rip right there in that material. All of that looks good. Upper side of the dash is clean. A couple scuffs on the plastic there. Massive roof. Got the Alcantara liner. Here on the back right door panel, little discoloration here. A couple small scuffs. That looks good. See the stitching right here ripped. So you're missing that line there. So you can trim these off. Hopefully preserve it a little longer. That looks good. Seat backs look amazing. Really, really nice back here. And then checking out the tunnel here. That is so cool. Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. Steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't have any vibrations to it. Suspension feels good. I don't hear any weird creaks or rattles. Really no complaints with the drivability.